Hey everybody, hope you're doing well today. In this video we're going to go over numbers 1 through 4 on the Unit 8 test review in preparation for your Unit 8 test, which some of you have already begun, some of you have not on USA Test Prep. Hopefully by the end of the week you'll feel very confident in reviewing all of these different types of probabilities together, and we're going to go from there. So in number 1 through 3, you have a bowl of marbles. There's 10 red, 6 green, and 8 blue ones. In number 1, if a marble is chosen at random from the bowl, find the probability of drawing a red one or a blue one. Alright, so I'm going to remember back to probably 8.2 or 8.1, where it's the probability of one thing or another happening at this, like just doing one event. Alright, and I'm going to remember that I'm okay with either one occurring, so I'm going to use addition to add their probabilities together because I'm okay with either one happening. I have 10 out of 24 red marbles, plus I have 8 out of 24 blue marbles, and so together the probability of drawing either red or blue one time that I draw, I have a 3 out of 4 or 3/4 chance of drawing a red or a blue one. When it says or, I use addition. In number 2, if 2 marbles are chosen at random with replacement, meaning I draw one, record what it is, and I put it back in my bag or bowl of marbles, I'm going to find the probability of drawing a red and then a blue one. And means multiply because this is a compound event. More than one thing is happening right after the other. I have a 10 out of 24 chance that I pick a red marble at first. And then the second draw, I put my red marble back, and so I still have 24 marbles, and of those 24, 8 are blue. So combined with multiplication, I have a 5 out of 36 chance that I will draw a red and then a blue with replacement. Now number 3, it says what's the chance of drawing 2 marbles that are red without replacement. Without replacement means I hold the first draw out, alright? But it also, when it says both red, it means I'm finding the probability of red and red. So and means multiply, so I put my multiplication symbol there. The first time I draw, I have a 10 out of 24 chance. But when I draw that marble and it's red, I hold it out, and so then I only have 9 out of 23 remaining that are red. When I multiply those together, I get that there is a 15 out of 92 chance that I will draw 2 reds in a row without replacement. Hopefully this kind of helped jog your memory about the different types of probabilities and what the words or and mean in relation to a scenario and compound events or just individual events. Alright, in number 4, you have a sock drawer where you have 8 pairs of black socks, 12 pairs of white socks. Alright, without looking, you draw a white pair of socks out of the drawer. You do not replace it, and you go to pick another pair. What's the probability that the next pair, or the second pair, you take out is black? Alright, so I'm going to remember that the first pick I had 20 different choices of sock pairs. But then if I hold out the first pair that I drew, on the second pick I have 19 to choose from, meaning my denominator is going to be 19. Now of those 19 remaining for the second draw, I still have 8 pairs that are black because I drew a white pair the first time. I have an 8 out of 19 chance that the second or next pair will be black. Now I don't have to do anything else with this because it doesn't ask me for the probability of the compound event together. It just says what's the probability that the next pair you take out will be black. So that is your answer for number 4. Hopefully this helped start going over a few things with you. Each day I'll post solutions, video solutions of the next few problems. And by Friday, hopefully you feel very confident in taking your test coming up next week. Have a great one, and definitely contact your teacher if you have any questions at all.